On an egg.
Okay, put that in your basket. Oh.
Ooh, what is it?
I know. No.
Nope.
Oh.
Put it in your basket.
Put it in the basket, Angel. Put it in here, and we're gonna find more eggs. Do you find any more?
That's your.
Okay, well, no,
Yeah, he might open up every single one of them.
just put it in your basket, Angel. Put it in your basket, then we'll open them, okay? Because we're gonna find more eggs. Let's go find more eggs, okay? Let's look around.
You see more?
I'm not even pointing. I'm just letting him. Yay!
Yay! Angel.
Put it in.
He wants to open them.
Put it in.
There you
Go
go.
find some more.
Oh, he just forget the basket.
Yeah.
Put it in the basket.
Put it in.
Oop.
Find more.
What'd you find? Yeah.
Put it in.
Yeah, there's something in there too, huh? Whoa. That's your mother.
Sorry. We got this on video too. Any more?
There more? Ooh.
I'm not even telling him. And I just
Yep. Where? Oop.
Are there any
I'm missing
more? Keep looking.
No stuff.
you. Where? Ooh, you see that one over there, huh?
Yeah. Put the eggs.
Where's that
Another
one?
one?
Trying to make that one make a noise.
Yep.
Angel, there's more.
There's,
Two more.
there's two more, Angel.
More eggs.
Do you see any more?
Uh-oh, there's Grammy cheating. Whoa.
The other one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Angel,
Angel,
come here.
look at Mommy.
Come here.
Go by Mommy.
Angel,
Go to mommy.
Go to Mommy.
come here.
Come here.
I'll show you the
Come
other
here.
one. Come here, Angel.
Angel, over there.
Come here.
Over there.
Look over here. Yeah, there it is. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yay! All done.
Well done.
Now you can open. You want to open your eggs? Open up your eggs. See what's in your eggs.
Yeah, open them up. Remember how you opened the first one?
Here, let him sit down. Sit down. Whoop.
Yeah, open.
Okay, open. Yep,
Yeah, open your egg.
See what's in the eggs.
What's inside?
Because I'm going to play with them first.
Ooh.
What's that? What is it?
Cows, yeah. What sound does a cow make? What sound does a cow make? Let's do the next one.
I might have to. Here.
Open. Ooh. Give that to Grammy. Give it to Grammy, Angel. Alright.
Let me put it over there.
That's fine. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. You see a pig?
No, he said pink.
Oh, I thought you said pig.
What's in there?
Can you open that one too? Whoa. Whoa.
Go ahead.
That's yours. Yeah, keep going. Open the next one.
Because I want to make sure it's out of that egg.
Ooh. What is that? Ooh. What else is there?
What's that?
That's a sheep. Yes, I know what it sounds like, but that's not what he
Yeah,
said.
he talks like his mother. Yep. Oop, that one's open already.
Yeah,
that
that's the first one he opened. Yeah, give that one to Grammy, honey.
Ugh.
You can do it. Yay! Yeehaw! No, you got 3 more.
There's 3 more eggs. Thank you.
Ooh.
Hang on.
I'm gonna get it. You want me to get it?
That's the only one he couldn't.
Here you go, honey. Birds? What kind of birds? Geese, yeah. Look, Angel. What's that? Why is that yellow?
Those are chickens.
We found the horse.
Horse, yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
So we
Now
can
you
use
can
the-
play with those.
Get the basket, getting the eggs for next year. You don't have to buy new ones, are you?
With big basket.
Yeah, let's just let them.
Give him one of the fruit rope thingies.
Oh yeah, they'll stay.
Just one, okay, Angel?
Does he know what those are?
He will in just a little bit.
What
Okay,
is
just one. Okay? Yeah. What do you say? You're welcome.
it? Oops, Mommy.
Sorry.
Big head in the way.
Angel. Look.
Yum, yum. Where's Mommy go? Where's
Huh?
Grammy? Where did Grammy go?
Grammy.
Go get Grammy.
Angel.
Somewhere back there. Somewhere. There's that dude. Whoa.
Angel,
There's
come here.
that
We
dude.
got something else.
Yeah.
Come here. You want something else?
Oh, there's Grammy's coming. Oh, okay. There you are.
Come here, Angel.
Oh, let's see here.
This, Angel, this is called an Easter basket. There's stuff in it. You already know this, don't you? You ready? It's
Go
from
open.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Say open.
Ooh, the book. That's all for you. Who's that?
Yeah.
Bob?
Yeah.
He says, forget everything else.
What else is in your basket? What's that? Cars. Yep, you got plenty of cars now. What else do you have there?
Yeah.
Yep. I'll open it, but look in the basket. See what else is in the basket.
Oh, we can't tell what that is.
What's that?
Who is that? Yeah, it's Pablo. Who else do you see in there? Do you see Shamu?
Oh, there's
This is in the cars.
His favorite is the cars now. That's so funny. Oh, you did very good for your first Easter. I thought I would have to show him. I just explained. I didn't even show him. Okay.
Wow.
Show Grandpa your car.
Show Grandpa the car.
Oh, he's got to set him up.
he's got to send him up.
Oh, this is so funny. From the video, you can get pictures off the video, right?
No, I don't think so.
We didn't take pictures, we just took videos.
Now we got 10 seconds left.
2 more cars. There you go. Say, Happy Easter!